Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Valitra and I'm the Crafty Black Girl. So you guys, don't mind the background. I'm actually on the street selling as I create this video for you guys, and we're just going to jump right into it. So the base of what I'm using is actually a picture frame, and that came from Michael's. So I bought those for Father's Day last year and I did not get a chance to use them, so I was able to use them as the base of this little UnBasket. So I'm just covering up the picture frame. That's a wooden frame, and I'm going to go ahead and add the shampoos on the side. I put tissue paper down so it can help secure and cover up that middle part. So then I'm going to add the sticker that I made with my Cricut so we can cover up the price tag, and then that is basically a little plant in the middle. Some are basil, some are cilantro, different type of plants, and then I'm putting that right in the middle with a little artificial flower, and then we're just going to make it pretty. I want it to look like a cute little garden, so I'm just taking the flower off of the stems and I'm hot gluing them as well as the tissue paper down so it's secure. So it looks really cute. I want it to look like a botanical garden type to go with the actual type of shampoo and conditioner that we're using because it's Herbal Essence. So I'm just using my hot glue gun, securing everything and making it look really cute. So I did a couple of these and I did like different colors, some of them purple, some of them pink, and then I had those left over from Mother's Day last year, and so I'm just going ahead and putting those on the side just to add, add a little flair to the flower there in the middle, just to give it like a really pretty gardeny look. So then I'm adding some shred in there. I don't know why I do that all the time, but I guess it just fills out some stuff so it doesn't have spaces. So I just put the shred in there and turn it to the back of the basket. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do the backing and make sure the tissue paper is secured down to the picture frame. So this picture frame actually came in handy and it was only $1. So yeah, that was great. So now I'm just going to go ahead and tape the back of the shampoo and conditioner. Those actually came from a wholesaler and I paid 75 cents each for those. So those were a steal, you guys. So that distributor is in Miami. I think it's called PJ Distributors in Miami, Florida is where I got those from, and a bunch of other things. So now I'm just going to go ahead and use my shrink wrap and wrap it up, and then I'm going to secure the bottom here as I normally do with flat UnBaskets, and then I'm going to go ahead and tape the sides down as well. And then we are going to go ahead and add the bow to the top of this basket. I actually found this in Michael's, thought it was so beautiful. It was for Easter, but I'm like, that's perfect for Mother's Day. So you guys, here I am creating a bow. I still struggle a bit, but this one came out pretty and big and just perfect for the whole color scheme. Like, it was so pretty. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna use this for this. Then I shrink wrap a little bit, and yeah. All right, you guys, so now for the pricing. The picture frame that I got from Michael's was $1. Then these shampoo and conditioners were 75 cents, and those came from the wholesale distributor down in Miami called PJ Distributors. The flower pot was $1.50. That came from Target after Valentine's Day. And the bow is $3 because it's a special bow, and that one came from Michael's. I actually used two bows for this one. I used a pull bow on the back and the bow I made on the front. So the artificial flower was $1.25 that were in the front, and the shrink wrap is $1. So that is for everything. I'm going to go ahead and add everything up as I normally would, you guys. Okay, so my total came up to $9.25. We're going to multiply that by 2. You get $18.50 plus my time. I have to make sure that I factor in, and it took me probably 15 minutes to put this together. So then we're going to add $18.50 plus $15. We're going to get $33.50. We're going to round this up to $35, and that will be the price of our basket. So yeah, if you like this, give it a thumbs up, you guys. Make sure you leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Until next time, stay crafty.